Dahil syempre yung More on One naging blockbuster yun, diba? At sana ito rin, diba? At more than that, kasama ko din si Direk Gwen at yung buong grupo. So sobrang blessing.
Okay.
Sabi niya, nanunod ka daw ng role. Sabi ni Billy.
Na gano'n?
Nanunod ka ng role. Hindi naman daw dapat para sa iyo. Pinatanggal mo daw si Mantis ko din.
Marami ka daw
Yung
tinawagan.
si Billy na yan. Gagi wala. Gagi din si Billy yan. Hindi. Hindi, syempre, I'm so thankful to Viva for getting me, diba? But I just take it as a blessing that I'm part of it. And kami ni Billy and the whole group, they always joke around with me. Kasi ako yung pinakabata sa set, si Billy yung one of the oldest.
Naglagan talaga.
Yun lang. At all the time sa set, talagang they trip on me all the time. But it's all fun, diba? It's a very fun set. One of the most fun I've ever had in a movie set. So, astig yung experience.
So hindi ka na, parang nailang kasi sila meron ng unang pinagsamahan.
Hindi, so sobrang intimidating, diba? Dahil siyempre, this is the second time I'm working with Direk Gwen. At Direk Gwen, blockbuster director. At meron na More on 5 at komedyante sila lahat. So, ako naman, parang, I'm so nervous, diba? Parang, I didn't know how to find my place. But when I got in set, talagang, they welcomed me very well. They taught me the way, kumbaga.
Madalas ka raw matulog, tapos ginigising ka daw nila, ginugulat ka daw nila. Hindi ka napipikan yung mga ganong bagay.
Hindi, nagugulat talaga ako. Tapos pinupost nila, gano'n. So one time, si Marvin naman, yung trip niya, nandun siya sa loob ng tent, kumakanta siya. Akala niya siya lang mag-isa, tapos video ko, pinost ko rin da. Diba? So yun, trip-trip lang sa amin.
Okay, kumusta love life?
Ako naman lahat.
Parang kayo na, no? Mas masaya.
Ako naman, siyempre, diba? Masaya naman lahat. Masaya naman.
So hindi kayo, after na lumabas kayo, hindi na kayo dumaan ng mga hassles ng relationship na, alam mo, yung usual na controversy sa inyo about Mommy Divine.
Meron man kami mga pinagdaan sa relationship, whatever, whatnot, all that stuff. But you know, we'll try to keep it positive all the time, and kung mayroon mga negative people, that's their problem to be negative, diba? We just be positive.
Okay.
Ano yung na-discover mo kay Sarah? Medyo nagtatagal na kayo. What's something special about
Something
Sarah?
special? Like I said kanina sa interview, sabi ko, Sarah's a person with so many dreams in her eyes. You can really tell. She has many, many dreams, and I hope I'll be that person with her to fulfill all these dreams, diba? So, yun, she has so many things that she wants to do with her life. So, yun, push lang natin yan.
Okay, gusto mo sagutin yung issue na naghihigpit na naman daw muli si Mommy Divine?
Huwag na tayo mag-comment. A mom's always a mom, diba? But, yun na lang.
May extra effort on your part para hindi na siya maging ganun sa'yo?
I don't know. A mom's always a mom, I guess, and it's every household has its own style in protecting their daughter or son or whoever. So we just have to live with what's in front of us and just take out the positivity and throw away the negativity.
So, dinideal mo lang yun positively, hindi mo na pinoproblema or hindi nakaka-apekto sa inyo?
Yeah, I guess.
Talking about yung dreams, nakikipagsabayan ka dun sa dreams ni Sarah, dun sa mga dreams na gusto niya mangyari.
I don't want dreams. She loved to do archery, mga stuff. She's a very simple girl to please. Basta maraming mga bagay. Marami.
Paano siya napunta sa archery nga pala?
No, she just wanted to. And my friend Icy Mendoza, we're working in a movie at Shake Rattle and Roll also. Timing lang. He said, Mateo, I'm the PR of this place. Ganun.
Okay.
So they took us there. Yun lang.
Okay.